We have this petrochemical fire that is still raging out of control at this oil storage facility in Deer Park, Texas. I reported on this initially when the fire broke loose. There was actually 2 big fires within like a day or so in Texas, but this one being a massive fire. And they're saying that now it's impacting the greater Houston area by what is being described as a massive plume of thick black smoke, for which the 3rd day now, they're saying it has intensified overnight, and all these fumes are going into neighborhoods about 20 miles away. Just absolutely massive in terms of this plume that is just ongoing. And there's a reason why I do these initial reports, because of just this. Anyone that could be downwind, before they put out any alerts, as we've seen in the past, people could find themselves inhaling this stuff. In certain instances, depending on the chemical and the situation, some people have to shut down their air conditioners and everything else because it's going to pull in all this stuff from outside into their homes, and it's going to be toxic and sometimes could be deadly depending on the situation. But it looks like they cannot get this fire out at this point, and they have this labeled uncontrolled. So this is uncontrolled at this point. They did put a shelter in place for residents in Deer Park in that city. They told them to close their air ventilation systems in their homes and close all windows. Now, that's a precaution that I think people even further out should be taking, especially if you're looking out your window or you step outside and you can see this plume overhead or very near you. But this is the latest. The thing's still raging. I'm going to leave a link below. Make sure to follow me on Twitter for more. It's been Dabu7.